Vizio's M-Series Quantum X televisions went on sale in July 2022. The M-Series from Vizio has been regarded as one of the greatest TV values due to its high picture quality at a low price. The new M-Series Quantum X improves upon this already impressive series. Join us to learn the details of the Vizio M-Series Quantum X release date and price, Apple AirPlay 2 and built-in Chromecast confirmed. Design. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X is a step up in quality over previous Vizio TVs, thanks to a series of subtle design upgrades. The display material extends nearly to the edge and is framed and supported by gray metallic corners. Rather than leaning to one side, the stand's legs are positioned in the middle to make it more easily fit on a TV stand. More reflective than the shiny bezels on other televisions, the bottom bezel is also slightly more prominent. The remote control has a clean design and large buttons that directly access popular streaming services. The TV has several inputs and outputs, including 4 HDMI ports, one of which supports eARC and 4K 120 for gaming, USB, Ethernet, 3.5mm and optical audio outputs, and an antenna/cable connector. Stay with us because we'll discuss the software that powers the Vizio M-Series Quantum. It's pretty interesting. Display. The Quantum X from Vizio's M-Series is a 4K TV that can refresh at 120 frames per second. Dolby Vision, HDR10, and HDR10 Plus are all high dynamic range formats it can play. Despite having an over-the-air tuner, it is incompatible with the newer ATSC 3.0 standard. Our channel is all about technology, so join the family by hitting the subscribe button and turning on post notifications. You can count on the Vizio M-Series Quantum X having a complete array of LED backlight technology, but you won't be impressed by its brightness or contrast levels if you are interested in brightness. Full screen and sustained brightness ratings of 900 and 800 nits respectively are advertised by Vizio for the 65 and 75-inch models in the same M-Series Quantum X series. The M-Series Quantum X contrast performance trails somewhat behind competing flagships. The Vizio M-Series Quantum X features one of the most vibrant and realistic color displays of any TV in its budget range. The greens and yellows are oversaturated, but the colors are well balanced. Particularly impressive is how accurate the white is. The broad color palette makes natural settings look abundant and rigid, giving the scenes a sense of depth that is true to life. There is some color loss when looking at the TV from an angle, but it's not too noticeable. Thanks to its 120Hz panel, variable refresh rate (VRR), auto low latency mode (ALLM), and AMD FreeSync Premium, the Vizio M-Series Quantum TV should be a hit with gamers. When the display is set to 1080p, it can be pushed to 240Hz, a novel benefit for gamers looking to obtain the most frames per second their system can generate. The combination of those capabilities and a refresh rate as fast as this one is unusual in TVs at this price point. Software and performance. AMD FreeSync and AMD FreeSync Premium are the latest quality standards for dedicated gamers, and the M-Series TVs from Vizio are using them. These features improve the precision of VRR playback, resulting in more fluid gaming experience even during the most intense moments in the most recent and demanding games. To put it another way, the Vizio M-Series Quantum includes all these features and more. Moreover, the automatic VRR verification procedure has been enhanced to facilitate connection and compatibility with VRR supporting HDMI devices. These enhancements provide an advantage for players in the most challenging games of the present day.
I really do appreciate the fact that it's Chromecast enabled, it's got Apple HomeKit and AirPlay 2 support, so there's a lot of wireless connectivity there.
Vizio's SmartCast Smart TV platform is now among the most user-friendly methods of accessing online content. Although it lacks a proper speech assistant like Amazon's Alexa or Google's Assistant, it does provide access to a wide variety of popular streaming services. Furthermore, it has Bluetooth, Apple AirPlay, Chromecast, and the ability to stream audio to headphones without bothering others. In general, it's uncomplicated and straightforward. Picture setting. Because of its adaptability, calibrated dark is the optimum image option for HDR and SDR content. Make the necessary adjustments to achieve the desired warmth or coolness of the image. The inaccuracies in the game mode were very noticeable. However, the warm color temperature stated above made a noticeable difference. Messing with the judder reduction is not recommended because changing them is not very effective. Thankfully, it's not operational in either of the calibrated settings. It is deactivated by default. Price and availability. Sizes ranging from 50 to 65 inches also available, and 75 inches make up the Vizio M-Series Quantum lineup. Specs are generally consistent between sizes. Prices range from approximately $629.99 for the 50-inch M-Series Quantum X Color Smart TV to roughly $1,199.99 for the 75-inch model. The Vizio M-Series Quantum 65 costs somewhere in between those two prices. TiVo also treats a significant market share with the TiVo Stream service and products. Is it better than the competition? Watch our coverage here. TiVo Stream OS-powered Smart TV release date and price. They are finally here. We'll see you next time.